let's make a puff stitch. My puff stitch has 9 loops, and I think that is the right thickness. But if you want your puff to be bigger or maybe smaller because you're working with a thicker yarn, then make less of these loops. Okay, so like I said, mine is made out of 4. So into that, chain 1 space, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a long loop, then again yarn over, insert a hook into the same, chain 1 space, yarn over, pull up a second loop, now a third loop and a fourth loop, and now you have 9 loops on your hook. Let's make the puff stitch, yarn over, pull through all 9 loops, and then we chain 1 to lock the puff stitch. And this is how you make the puff stitch. Now